Good evening, all. Firstly, sorry I couldn't come live today due to some network issues. I hope you all are fine and safe, dealing with the situation strongly and courageously. These are the testing times for our nation and especially for the state of West Bengal. As if COVID 19 wasn't wreaking enough havoc in the state, a natural catastrophe came into the shores of the state in the form of Amphan cyclone, affecting millions of citizens of the state and causing harm to thousands of them. I hope you guys and your families are safe and secure after this Amphan cyclone. So today my topic is the pivotal HR challenges faced by any startup. In a startup, HR decisions plays a significant role, which involves providing legal protection, roping in top talent, managing employees' record, creating foolproof HR policies, enabling organizational learning, intentionally nurturing culture in the company, and so on. None of these, however, are passed without passing number of hurdles or challenges. So today I'm going to tell you some of the challenges that startups faces. So first challenge I'm going to tell you about is recruiting real leaders. While recruiting for the roles after C-suite, startup have a tendency to find the people that are really good at what they do, but leave how well they can lead a team or manage employees in the vision. Leadership skills are hardly assessed while recruiting for leadership. So a possible solution for this challenge can be to find during an interview if the candidates are proven leaders or not. So whether they are leaders or they are just bosses who just want the job and to get it done. Okay, exceptional leaders care about people, own their circumstances, thrive into uncertain situations, and can always chase a vision. They are always learning and leading both at the same time. Okay, so we need to find out this kind of recruits means these kind of candidates who can show them a way. Not only they should just they just instruct them how you have to do it, but they have to be a leader, not a boss. Second challenge that that a startup face are attracting the cream of the top. 23% of the startups fails because they don't hire the right people for the job. First of all, there are many challenges in front of a startup during their initial days or years, you can say that. Means, as you all know, 5 years for a startup are very crucial. There aren't many people who know about the company, no dedicated HR personnel, and not hiring the cream on or not attracting the cream. And worst, they can happen for any startup during the initial days or years. The solution for it is to get your current employees to talk to the people they know. Words spread even faster than a wildfire. And even if the candidate is not that perfect one, but dedicated enough to learn and grow, it might just be the missing piece in the puzzle. So if they are not that much skilled or experienced, but they have that attitude to learn anything, so we have to hire that kind of people in our company, having a good and positive attitude. That's the most important thing, because giving them training and giving them training can train them and can become they can become a better asset for a company. Third challenge what startup face are building a healthy and fruitful culture in a workplace. The biggest problem about the startups are myth and assumptions. So a startup should put in place a work culture that is healthy and fruitful to the employees. Building a proper work life balance is very essential for the mental peace of the employees and for improving their efficiency at work. Research proves that a 4 is to 3 working day and not working day ratio improves the efficiency of the employees and also increases the profit of the organization exponentially. Fourth challenge that a startup face is onboarding the new hires. Onboarding is usually very casual at startups. It begins and ends over going them a laptop and taking them to lunch. As the business grows, this approach doesn't scale. Define measurable objectives for your onboarding and ensure that it's achieved for your new hires. Startup attract a lot of referrals. Due to this, there is a high possibility that people never make close connections beyond the people they already know. So create opportunity for them to know their team well. For this, you can arrange a or the employee engagement is very important for any startups to know all the employees very well. So I have discussed some of the challenges that a company, that a startup faces. There are several other problems as well. So, Sleek HR and me, Harshita Ambas, who leads Sleek HR, are always there to help you 24/7. You can you can give your numbers and you can contact us by registering yourself at www.gsbecosystem.com, and you can give your views or problems whatever you're facing. So that's all from my side for today. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Bye, good night.